Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our weekly analysis. What's really happening? We have a very busy week coming. We can see that it's that week where we're going to have NFP and interest rates or FOMC rates or statement on the same week, which is crazy. You can see that. From Monday, which is tomorrow, we have CPI from Germany or Europe. It's not really moving the market that much. Employment cost index, I don't really know much about this one. New Zealand employment change. If you can't sleep, if you don't really want to sleep, you can just check this later on. Mostly the market moves very aggressively with New Zealand events. So final manufacturing PMIs, okay. So but let's just focus on federal fund rate, which is going to be on Wednesday around 8. When you check there, they say estimate they're still going to pause the rates, but I just want to hear their statement, which is going to happen 30 minutes after they release the rates. So things are not looking good for the dollar. Things are not looking good. Most of the events that we received were actually positive, which actually makes the dollar to be way too stronger. And at the same time, remember, we are starting to talk about cutting the rates, and yeah, we will see. We will see what will happen because inflation is still quite higher. On Thursday, as usual, we're gonna have jobless claims or unemployment claims. On Friday, this is the first of the week. Remember, this is it's first week of the month, so it's going to be we're going to have NFP on Friday, 3rd of May next week. So yeah, we have some serious weeks, which means the market will be starting to go crazy. The market will be starting to go crazy. So guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. For those who wants to be part of the team, you can see that we have this is our normal prices. It's our normal prices. You can see this is our packages, but also mentorship is also here. But if maybe you don't know, we have actually a lifetime special VIP signals for only $60. This is going to be up to Wednesday because no, not Wednesday. Tuesday, because Tuesday is month end. So this was the birthday special for this channel. So for those who want to be part of the team, don't miss this so that we can start to eat together. So let's see what's really happening on the market. Let's see what's really happening on the market today. I will just start with USD ZAR. I just want to see what's really happening. I saw ZAR, it was quite stronger. I think it was Friday and something like that. So you can see here we are still. I was doing this as like every day, this analysis of USD ZAR. So you can see that we are still on this nice uptrend. It seems like this trend is quite stronger, and the market, if you check number 5 there, the market is playing around that level. So which means what we saw from this area, it might still also happen around that level. Do you see that? But it seems like the rand, or ZAR, it's quite stronger at the moment. It might play games around that, but I'm expecting to see something like that, unless if the market tries to break out of that level. So let's go a little bit closer. You can see that even though we are on this nice uptrend, we also have this nice horizontal structure where the market used to respect. So which means we're not just going to consider only this level, we will also consider this support area. But it seems like the market already did touch that level. And it seems to be running away, but we will see, because I did not really check this on Friday. But if maybe there's anything, I will actually update you. We can have a proper buy, or maybe the market will end up reaching this level, then we can have a very nice buy, unless if maybe the market tries to break out. Eurozar, what's really happening on Eurozar? We can see that yes, also on Eurozar, we were on a very nice uptrend, by the way. but you can see that around number 6 there is where the market started to give us this breakout. But it shows us that it seems like the market wants to try to break out of that, but at the end of the day the market did respect that, so which means the market is still actually on this smaller downtrend, but it seems like it's not really on that aggressively, because we saw an aggressive reversal, but now at least the market is reversing again back to that lower area. But at the end of the day, it seems like we're gonna just have this sort of a consolidating structure around this level. This is supposed to be a little bit up, so this might be here, it's supposed to be there. So on top of there, we might have something like this. So it's up to the market to play something like this, but around this level now, if it comes back around that level, we'll be thinking about selling, or maybe the market will end up breaking out of this structure. Then we can say let's continue with that downtrend structure, as we already saw that the market is trying to break out. So I tried something on top there. It doesn't really make sense. It only makes sense if I draw it here. But for us to not get confused, let's not connect our trends inside an uptrend. So let's wait for a breakout before we draw something, which means we can wait for the market to do something around this level before we do something, right? Before we draw all those lines. So let's push to the next one. Is DXY, dollar index. What's really happening on the bigger time frame is quite clear, guys. We can easily see that the market is still going to the upside. You see the market is going up, very nice, but we can easily see that we have a proper reversal area there. The market is reversing there, so which means the market might just play around this level, which we can say the market is on this wedge structure. You can see that sort of a triangle structure, so the market is just playing around that level, so which means at the end of the day we will be waiting for the market to break on top, as we are on this uptrend. Yes, it's possible that the market can also break the support area and start to go even lower, and that it's something that we want, but the structure is still showing us that we are on a very nice uptrend, even though the market now will end up consolidating. But since we have interest rates, we have the conference that is going to explain everything, what's really happening. They will tell us what's really happening. They will tell us if maybe they're still thinking about cutting the rates, but things don't look good. Things don't look good. So yes, do you see what's really happening there? On 4 hours time frame, you can see, or even on a daily time frame, you can see that the structure there, it's flying, and you can see that we got out way too early. But for those who don't know why, this is because of JPY. They had interest rates a few days ago. I think it was Thursday, Friday, around there. But mostly they don't really update much on their news, or they don't really specify the time. You will just start to see the market going up or down, you see. So which means with this, it shows that they are very weak. We had a proper buy, and I've been talking about this area, about this breakout. We had a proper buy, but I wasn't anticipating any type of this bullish structure. That is way too crazy, you see. That is crazy aggressive. But anyways, yes, we did take a smaller piece. Now we may be expecting a smaller reversal before we look for any buy, because at the moment, yes, we can see that it's a buy. We took a buy, but we can't just jump on this. So we rather have to wait for a smaller reversal here and there. Remember, on Wednesday we have we have Federal Reserve or interest rates. Then that might change something. And also we have NFP on Friday. Maybe we will see something happening. But at the moment, nope, we are still on this aggressive uptrend, but we can't buy or sell. We can't. We don't really have a resistance or a support. Also on Euro JPY, you can see that yes, we are still on this nice aggressive uptrend. The market is still going up, very nice. Our support is still very stronger, and that's why I follow the trend. Just look what happened here. So we did just jump on that, and I told my people, you know what, the market is going towards our take profit. Let's close and lock the profits. Guess what happened here? The market just went even higher, but the point, at least we took a smaller piece here. So but this move is not really similar to what we saw on USD JPY. The move was actually quite crazy, but still we are on that uptrend. So which means let's try to wait for the market to do its thing before we have a proper structure. So on GBP JPY, this was intentional. We missed this because I sent like 2 pairs that they were going with JPY, USD JPY, Euro JPY. It was not really necessary for me to send this one. Plus, what if maybe the market was going against us? It means we were going to lose on all those pairs, right? So now you can easily see that we are still on that nice uptrend. Boom, the market is still pushing up. So obviously we're waiting for a proper structure that we can continue. And when I'm talking about proper, I'm talking about resistance and support. And once we don't really see that, once we don't really see a smaller reversal that we can use to actually look for a buy or a sell or something like that, it means let's just wait for it, because we're already out. Unless if maybe we're still holding, we were going to say, you know what, let's just scale up this thing. Unfortunately, we went out, right? So but it's fine, we did get something. So what's really happening on Bitcoin? If you are new to the channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. So Bitcoin, what's really happening? We are still on that bullish momentum, but what I see now, the market is now on this consolidation. It seems like that aggressive bullish move is starting to slow down, because if you count from this area up to that point there, you can easily see that no, we have like almost from March until now, and now we go into May, around 2 months straight the market is actually consolidating. So which means we might end up seeing some bigger moves later on. Now the market got used to these levels, because before this was aggressive move, but now the market spent a lot of time around the same level. So now it's no longer a very surprising area. So we're just waiting for the market to do what? To continue going up and end up breaking that level. And you can say, yes, the market is now breaking some new highs and stuff like that. Or maybe the market will end up breaking this level and go down, and that is going to be a sort of a sell or strong sell, something like that, right? So but the best thing that you should have is in the market, guys, just know that patient, it's everything. Stay on your own lane. You are not me, you are not someone else, you are you. So do things in your own way, right? So just get some advice here and there, do some trading plans here and there, and that should help you. You see, so yeah, just make sure that you are not in a hurry. You are not in a hurry, right? So what's really happening? What's really happening? We are on Euro USD. We can easily see that the market has been respecting these levels very, 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 very nice, and that it's called a downtrend structure. So we can easily see that the market respected this level. I've been talking about this area, that maybe the market will respect this area or this point, something like this. I used to explain that to you here, but guess what? It seems like the market respected this level here, and I'm expecting my people to be eating, because I told them to take a very nice sell. But I think it's quite straightforward. Let me do it like this. You can see that it's actually quite straightforward. So the market is respecting this area. But I also, on my behind the scene, before I send the signal, I also drawn something like that, that if the market breaks out there, something like this, once the market breaks out, we took that sell. Yes, they did smaller profit. I'm still expecting to see a continuation of a sell, but the bigger structure here is we are on a downtrend structure, so which means we still expect the market to go even lower. Yes, sometimes the market can still go up, but as long as we still are respecting our outer resistance, that's everything that we want, right? That's what we need. Now let's go on GBP USD. Quite similar structures. You can see that yes, we are still on nice downtrend structure, but we reached this level. You see that, and we are here. So one of my students told me, Kenzo, he joined the same day. I think it was Friday. He joined the same day and said, Kenzo, I'm already eating on Euro and GBP, Euro USD and GBP. And when I checked, it was not really a bigger move. I don't know if maybe he just went aggressive on the smaller move or not, or something. Obviously he went hard because he was saying, oh man, I'm eating 1 2 3. So be careful when you take trades, guys, because eating from here and here, it's not supposed to be that much, because if it's that aggressive, it means that also your stop loss will be aggressive, and at the end of the day you might end up blaming the person who's just giving you the signals, because you're going hard, and sometimes we can win all the signals that we take, right? Yes, we win some, but we also lose some, and that is part of the game. So please apply your risk management, guys. Take it slow, risk way too smaller, or just use a smaller lot size. Most likely your emotions won't be going all over the place, right? So yes, I'm still expecting the market. It seems like the market is respecting this level. You see that, this, and now I'm expecting it to do what, to go even lower like that. Let's hope that it's gonna happen on Monday, like next week, which start tomorrow. I don't know if it start today or tomorrow, but you understand what I'm saying, right? So now we are on gold. Please, guys, don't forget that you can join our team for $60 lifetime VIP signals. You get Nasdaq, US30, S&P 500. WhatsApp me on my link, on my description. You will see WhatsApp link. Just click that. It will take you straight to my WhatsApp. Then we can talk there, right? So let's see. On gold, we can easily see that yes, the market, it was aggressively going up. Aggressively so, the market also did what? The market broke out. So the market started to give us this nice consolidation. Not really nice, because sometimes you might get confused with this, right? So, but to us, this is a nice consolidation structure. But since we had this breakout, so it means we're supposed to look for downtrending structures or sell positions, because once the market breaks out here, it shows that it's losing momentum. Gold, it's losing momentum, because I think tensions in the Middle East are slowly going down. So maybe that will start to push gold to go even lower. That is possible. It might start to go even lower, right? So now what do we expect here? I'm expecting to have a proper sell. Please don't go aggressive on this. I'm expecting it to go down, but we are already in this trade, so which means I'm expecting to see a very proper sell. Let's hope that maybe tomorrow the market will be going back in our favor. Yes, we did smash the other ones. But we also did miss the other one. So last week it was missed because we had some very nice trades on Nasdaq and USD and S&P 500. Later on around the week, I think Thursday, we did actually lose some there, right? So now we are on US30. What's really happening? We can see that we are coming from this a nice uptrend structure. The market was going up. Now you can see that the market was doing something like this aggressively, by the way. So again, it seems like the market on that smaller downtrend, the market changed very quick. You can see we had this nice downtrend. The market changed very quick. Now we had this. Obviously, I'm expecting to see something like this before maybe we see a very nice push to the upside, if things are going to be in favor of US30. But with this type of a breakout, it shows that the market is not really that weaker. So we might see the market starting to consolidate around these levels until we start to see some very nice bullish moves. So remember, last week we had some crazy earnings. All those earnings, if you check them, they were positive, but it seems like the market was not really convinced. The market wants to hear about the inflation, you see. And that is going to happen at this Wednesday. So it's FOMC week for those who don't know. So don't just jump on the market because, hey, the market might end up punching you in the face. So for those who want to a recommendation or on the broker, I trade with EXNESS. EXNESS on my description. Check the link there. You can use this link just to join that broker, and actually it's a very good broker, guys. Even though they don't really have bonuses, but they are going to offer some very nice services. And yeah, for those who know about EXNESS, they will tell you that it's like way much better than most brokers that we see, or what other guys try to promote, guys. And I'm not getting like anything. This is not sponsored video or something. I just like it. I just like it because I can see that it works very nice, right? So on Nasdaq, we can see that yes, we were on this nice uptrend, then the market broke out. So this downtrend structure, it's actually short-lived. You can see that it did not really grow to a point, continue to go even lower to a point where we can say we can draw a nice resistance line. So it was just like this. 1 2 3, the market broke out. Now it seems like the market wants to go up again. So, and on Friday we had this area, this level was broken out, so we took a nice buy pending order there. So I'm expecting to see a nice continuation of this buy because the market is been reversing, guys. We also had something like that. We bought here, then the market reversed, then now it's going up, you see. So we missed this move actually, but we took this one obviously, so it was like 50-50. So yeah, I'm expecting to recover or to make something this week from that smaller reversal. So what is going to happen here is, since we had this breakout on this resistance, I'm expecting to see the market going up, but on Monday the market might end up consolidating before we see a proper push to the upside. Yes, there is a possibility for the market to go down, as there is a possibility for the market to continue going even higher, right? So let's push to the next one, which is S&P 500. I was just doing some few analysis earlier, and I started to see something. So before we had a proper buy, you can see that we had a proper buy structure there. So we broke out of that structure. We had something like this, I guess. So I was just playing around, and it seems like this area makes sense, but since it started back there, I will just place it like that and see how will this respond to this. They connect very nice, but what we have here is the market was still inside our uptrend, right? So which means we don't really have to connect from previous structures like that. So the market will just give us something here, and if that is it's actually okay, we might see the market going up. Then we're gonna mark that area and continue like that. So this is what I'm expecting. I'm expecting to see a nice bouncing back, because you can see that we are coming from this aggressive sell from this level. So I'm expecting to see a very nice bullish move going even further. But at the moment, it seems like the market was trying to play games. But what I like about this is we did smash the market here, and then the market reversed around this level. We missed this type of a move. Then the market broke out. I'm expecting to see a continuation of that buy. Do you see that? I hope you see that. I hope you see that. Please, guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Like, share with your friends. US oil, guys, let me show you this for the last time. If you check this is our normal price. So you can still join 1 month if you want to join 1 month, 6 months, yearly, whatever that you want to join. We still have mentorship, and if you want mentorship, our mentorship is still $350. But if you want our mentorship plus lifetime signals, you get it for $450, right? So once you still check in those prices, just look at this. Our lifetime, you saw lifetime is $450, right? So you can get it for $60, but it's a limited special, which means it's gonna end this month end. It's limited. So, but I tried to give everyone a chance to join so that we can start to eat together. Yeah, and you get everything. It's just VIP. It's just on discount. So yes, let me know if you want to be part of the team. My WhatsApp number is there, or check my description. You will find the link to be part of the team. And now we are on US oil. You can see that yes, we were on a very nice uptrend, smaller breakout there. Now the market seems to be trying to consolidate here. So we will see what will happen. So will the market continue going down, or will the market try to break out? again. But at the moment, since the market broke out, it seems like the market might end up just giving us this consolidation structure. But yes, there is a chance for the market to go down as tensions in the Middle East, they are not really down, like clear, like everything is not really like well at peace at the moment, but they are slowing down, especially Israel and Iran. I think that was the biggest one, but still I think that was like aggressive. Now things are going down slowly, tension are going slow. That's why we start to see oil going down. So which means maybe the tankers or the ships that hold those oils from one country to another, they can move smoothly, or even if it's not that quite smooth, but it's better than before, right? That's why we see the prices going down, right? So yeah, I think for today we actually done here. I'm expecting to see another continuation of a sell, but since we have to focus on this consolidation structure because the market is consolidating, which means we have to talk actually about this. And once the market goes down, we're going to try to take a sell. If it breaks the support, we're going to continue selling. But if it does just play around here, we're going to say, no, let's wait, because sometimes it's difficult to trade on this consolidation structures. They just go up and down and they can knock you out. Simple as that. So guys, word of the day is you are going to make it, but just have a trading plan. Trading plan plus discipline, because just to have a trading plan alone is not really enough. So if you have discipline and trading plan, that is something very good. And again, if maybe before, let's say you wanted to make it or maybe to be good in 6 months, the best thing is to set longer time frames, not trading time frames, like longer goals, long-term goals, right? Long-term goals. So if you say, okay, let me just try for 12 months to 3 years, and I will just go slow. You know what? When we talking about slow on trading, it's not the same as the other industries. This slowest part can change your life, right? So this is 12 months, by the way, 12 months to 3 years. So if you set your goal to go slower there, one way or another, you're going to still make it. But just be disciplined and make sure that this discipline, it becomes your habit to follow these trading plans. We need to have plans. So I hope maybe that will help 1 or 2 people. So don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. Remember guys, I'm still way too busy, especially this coming week. I'll be busy, but I will update you. I think this week is gonna be, I will be finishing with the touch-ups. Then yeah, I will tell you if maybe I'm now getting available, but I'm still busy. So I'll see you on the next one. Bye.